Hi, I'm Olson, and I've got some exciting news. I've teamed up with Philly Cream Cheese, and we are searching for Canada's next big cooking stars. If you're a woman who loves to cook, maybe you get a little adventurous in the kitchen, and your family and friends tell you how delicious your dishes are, well, you could be the star in your own cooking videos and, on top of that, earn $20,000. So here's how it works. For the next 8 weeks, I'm asking you to submit videos of your tastiest recipes featuring Philly cream cheese. At the end of the 8 weeks, we'll have selected 16 finalists. And these 16 women will be flown to Toronto to join me for a cook-off. And out of those 16 finalists, we'll select 4 women who will then be crowned the Real Women of Philadelphia. You 4 ladies are going to contribute to the writing of a community cookbook, star in your own cooking videos, get an all-expense-paid trip to Toronto, and become $20,000 richer. This is just so exciting, and I really can't wait to see the delicious recipes you're going to share. And you know, even if you don't want to submit a video, you can still join the community because you'll meet other cooks, you'll pick up some cooking tips, and you can cheer on your favorite recipes. So head over to realwomenoffphiladelphia.ca. Pull out those kitchen tools, grab your camera, smile, and don't forget, of course, to use Philadelphia cream cheese.